to manage more conveniently and efficiently.
Ayun, just got back from the gym. And ayun nga sa title ng video na to, we're gonna be talking about how to build a career that actually matters. So, ikaw ba yung taong ginawa mo na lahat? You got a degree, you got a job, you're hitting your KPIs, you're doing excellent at work. But it feels like parang may kulang. If relate ka dito, this video is for you. So most people think that they have a career problem. Like me before, I thought that I have a career problem. That I don't have a degree, wala akong experience to show. But what I actually realize is I don't have a career problem. I have a meaning problem. So in this video, I want to show you how to stop chasing that paycheck to paycheck and start building your life of contribution. So here's the problem. The success trap. So we've been lied that we need to climb the ladder, earn a title, buy stuff, kainin yung mga gustong kainin. Then after that, you're good, di ba? Though wala naman masama sa mga yun. But at the same time, if you're listening to this, you know that there's more. Alam mo na mayroon pa besides achieving those nice things. Hindi lang siya aksidente na nafe-feel mo to. There's a specific reason on why are you feeling this way. Nagpapakita lang na you are designed and you have a purpose in your life. So the question that I want us to ponder today is, number one, what are the skills that you currently have? What are the gifts that you currently have, right? The talents na meron ka na ipagmamalaki mo or pinagmamalaki ng ibang tao. So list that down. Second question is, what are the things that keeping you awake at night or sa time ng pagtulog? Ano yung mga bagay na nagpapagising sa'yo? Nahihirapan ka matulog kasi kailangan mong gawin to, gusto mong isipin to, or gusto mo tong gawin. Third question is, nasan yung opportunity? If you have these skills and you have something that you're passionate about, where can you put these skills? Or where can you put this passion and skills? Saan ka makakapagbigay ng value sa market? So if you list down those things, and then napag-combine mo kung nasan yung market, yun yung mga hanapin mong trabaho. I started creating this video, so there will be more. Because I've watched my video 9 years ago. Naka-private na sila sa YouTube. But I watched the videos that I'm so passionate about. I don't have a nice camera. I don't have a nice microphone. Yung tripod ko is just yung water bottle na linagyan ko ng screw sa ilalim ng mesa para lang maging mount ng tripod, and may bato yun sa loob. So whenever I'm running or naglalakad ako, pag inalog ko siya, tutunog yung bato. So maingay siya sa video. But the thing here is, I'm comparing myself to that person that I was years ago. That person is so passionate about content creation. That person is unstoppable when it comes to doing what he loves. And right now, I'm getting back to it. And this is my purpose in life, is to share my experience and to help out other people as well, na that they want to find the purpose and meaning of their life. And yung nararamdaman mo sa loob, sa puso mo, medyo poetic, pero yung nararamdaman mo that there's something more to it. If you know that deep inside yourself, here's the reason. Because you're fearfully and wonderfully made. You're fearfully and wonderfully made. You have a specific purpose and reason kung bakit nandito ka. So that reading is in Psalm 139 verse 14. It says here, I praise you, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Wonderful are your works. My soul knows it very well. So your soul knows it very well that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. You are valuable than anything in the world, that someone died for you. And if you're curious who that person is willing to die for you, that is Jesus. And I found my purpose and meaning in life through my relationship with God. And I'm not being religious or something, but I want you to do a research about it. If God is true, do your own research about it. I'm just sharing what I've experienced. And ever since ng bata pa ako, I really want to be a content creator. To create videos, to document my journey as well, and to do the things that I love. So, if you're interested in having conversations, if need mo talaga ng tulong to start your career, to work from home, to spend more time with your family, I leave a link in the description. It's a Discord community that I just started. I'll be doing free coaching sa mga taong gusto mag-start to work from home. So I've been in this industry for quite a while now. 5 years na ako sa industry. So I started very young because of pandemic. But this coaching is for beginners who wants to start. But if you're intermediate, if you're advanced, we would love to hear your insights as well. So hopefully this is insightful for you. If you want to know your purpose, you should seek the one that gives it to you. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful. Follow, subscribe kayo for more contents like this that I'll be posting more to this YouTube channel. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.